Hi, this is Sankar Sharma. In this video, we're going to analyze Pfizer stock. Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? What's happening with Pfizer? And take a deep dive and check everything we need to know. Let's jump in and see where it makes its money from, which countries, and how does its numbers look. Because today, Pfizer said it had good EPS, good revenue, and is given a great outlook for this quarter. But we want to see what are the charts are telling. Is it a good time to buy, sell, hold? What are the other things we can expect? So on and so forth. If you know already, Pfizer has got few products in the pipeline for cancer and few projects on pipeline for weight loss. If you know, biotech companies and a pharma, when they come up with a drug, it goes through different phases, phase 1, 2, 3 of studies. And then when it gets approved by FDA, it goes into commercialization, and then you got to wait for some time for commercial results to come. So some of these drugs are in the pipeline for 2025, but we need to wait and see their efficacy, which is what the term they use to see if it's good for public use. So far this year, Pfizer's money came from its COVID vaccine for most part. Now, whether it's going to get those monies from others, we don't know. We have to wait and see. So if you see this picture here, its biopharma earnings were quite high, and you can see since 2020, it has got a lot of money coming from vaccines, etc. It has got its wings in different categories: oncology, like we said, cancer drugs, as well as rare disease and weight loss. If you look at country-wise, you can see majority of its revenue came from United States, followed by emerging markets, then developed Europe, then rest of world, and lastly from Japan. If you go back and check the earnings, so if you see the earnings have improved, revenues have improved, earnings are consistently good. So that part is great. Let's look at dividends. It pays a 5.79% dividend. That's not a bad thing. And if you go and check statistics wise, if you look at the valuation ratios, the return on assets and equities have gone negative. Gross margins are still healthy. Net margins have gone down. That is not a great sign. Net margins have gone down. In my opinion, that's not looking good. So apart from that, all other things seems to be looking good. And if you see gross profit, it's okay. Pre-tax income is negative, and net income has been negative consistently. Operating expenses increasing. So overall, it's not one of the best, but it's okay. Now let's go and check if this one is a buy, sell, or hold for the short term and medium term. I'm going to go to the stock chart. If you look at this is a Pfizer daily chart. Right now, you can see the price is going sideways, right? Price is going sideways. It's just inside this box. It hasn't crossed above the green line or below the red line. So that to me suggests that this could continue for a few more months. I'm not seeing a big breakthrough in its stock price. So maybe it's worth holding if you're already in it. But if you've not bought it, there is no real urgency to rush and buy this at this moment in time. I will probably wait until maybe 6 to 9 months, the second half of next year. Even though the earnings per share is good and revenues are good, outlook is good, I don't see stocks charts telling me that this is a great buy right now at this moment in time. So in my opinion, if I had been asked to put money in this, I would not rush it, and I wouldn't put it here right now. So hopefully that is useful insight. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for the privilege of your time. Bye for now. Sankar Sharma signing off.